Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Guys, today I'm going to unbox a type of pen which most of you know. So guys, I have bought it from Amazon, as you can see guys. So guys, let's begin the unboxing. So guys, this is a type of pen which is special than most pen. So guys, most of you know this pen. So guys, this is known as friction pen, friction clicker pen. I have bought from Amazon a pack of 3. So guys, let's see if they have given the 3 of them or not. So guys, yeah, I have ordered the red, blue and black, as you can see guys. So these 3 pens are very awesome looking, as you can see guys. And there is a bill of the pen. I have bought it from Amazon at a cost of ₹300 and with extra delivery charges became 375. As you can see guys. So guys, let's move to the pens and go to unboxing. So guys, as you can see, there are 3 pens: red, blue and black. So guys, let's begin the unboxing. So guys, these pens are very awesome pen and they are having lots of features in it, which I will show in the video. So guys, this is a friction pen. I have bought 3 of them. So guys, this is a pen which we have to open with the cap. So guys, as you can see, and this is the pen with a click on the top. So guys, I am not unboxing the red color pen because the red and black color pen are both of them are same, but and the color is just different. So I'm only going to unbox the black color pen. So guys, let's move to the unboxing of the black color pen. For first guys, let's know about the information. So guys, this is a pilot and brought to India by Luxor. So guys, this is a friction clicker pen. It is have a 0.7mm ink which is erasable and refillable. So guys, we can write with the pen, erase with it the pen by that rubber on that and rewrite. So guys, it is a erasable and refillable clicker pen. So guys, this is the features of the pen which you can read by pausing it. So guys, this is available in blue, black and red and green color. So guys, I have only bought the blue, black and red color, not the green color, because so guys, we have to read these steps before using the pen. So guys, this is written that do not use this pen for signatures, examination paper and check use official documents and where writing would not be permanent. So guys, we have not to use this pen in writing on such documents where it would not be permanent pen because of the thermosensitive ink on it. So guys, this is a friction clicker roller ball pen and this is ₹100. Each pen is 100 rupees and total pen equals 300, and with delivery charges it makes 375. So guys, I will provide the link in description below to buy this pen. So guys, we will move to the next pen, which is the black pen, as you can see. So guys, same as the blue pen, you can read the instruction by pausing the video. So guys, nothing special about this pen. So guys, most of you don't want the package to be teared and want to preserve this package for the pen to kept inside it again. So guys, for this the pen is made with that type of package. So guys, please follow this step to not to tear this package. So guys, as you can see, this is the grooves and you have to pull that paper or plastic from that. As you can see, the pen is coming outside and the pen is last and finally come outside, as you can see guys. So guys, this is the blue pen which looks like a roller ball pen. So guys, it is a type of gel ink and it looks like a roller ball pen. So guys, it is written as friction clicker 0.7 with refill and it removes by friction. So guys, as you can see, the pen is looking very awesome and it is very glittering in the light. So guys, I will now make later the writing review. So guys, this is the black pen which we will be unboxing with the same process. So guys, this is a black pen. It is that type of pen but with a cap which we have to open it. So guys, this is also awesome and the design you can see is very vibrant and the blue pen, and you can see it properly in the black pen than in the blue pen guys, as you can see. Guys, we have to open the cap to write with it, and it has also rubber on it which help to grip our hands in the pen and fixed in writing process. Guys, this is the white rubber as you can see which helps to remove the ink, and this is the blue rubber of the blue pen of roller ball pen of friction. So guys, we have to open this pen by this process, and as you can see, when we open, the green color has covered the friction X, as you can see, and it means that the pen is open. So guys, very awesome pen. If you want to buy this, please go in the links in the description and follow that link to buy this. I have buy from Amazon, and if you want to buy it single, you can also follow that link. I have given that. So guys, this is a thermosensitive ink, which means that it is a heat sensitive ink in simple words, as you can see, and the ink costs 60 rupees each. So guys, it is very costly ink, so I tell you not to use it much, because if the ink is over, then the pen will not affect. And guys, you have to buy this only to work with this pen, because it is a thermosensitive ink. Other ink will not work, other ink will not be removed from this pen. Only the thermosensitive ink will help to remove the ink of the pen. So guys, let's put it again, as you can see guys. So guys, I like the blue pen more, but if you like the black pen, I will also provide the link of that. So guys, let's again open the black pen and see what is inside. So guys, it is also the same with the thermo ink, which is black in color, and it has a little white part at the bottom. So guys, let's keep the pen aside and let's move to the writing test. So guys, let's write with this pen. So guys, this writing with this pen is very smooth. As you can see, I have just make some little scratches or designs, as you can see, but no, it is not a really accurate design. So guys, let's write with this pen. So guys, I am writing rewrite, but if you make a mistake, for example rewrite, at the last I put I to make you understand the mistake, and we have to cross it with the normal pen. But with this type of pen, it would help. For example, I again write that and rewrite, I again make mistake of I, and we erase it with the rubber on the pen, and then again write with this pen. This is the helpful of this pen. So guys, actually the writing is not erased, it is actually vanished. If you put it in a freezer of minus 30 degree or 30 degree below, then it will appear again guys. So guys, as you can see, I have removed I and written E. But guys, if you want to write it with permanent, then use a normal pen, because in the instruction it is given, if you want to write with permanent in documents or in important examination papers or anything, don't use this pen. So guys, as you can see, it removes the ink which has been removed from it, but actually it is vanished. So guys, let's go with the black pen and taste how it is. So guys, exactly same, but a little smoother than the blue pen. So guys, let's remove it with. So guys, with the white rubber part, I am going to remove that. As you can see guys, it is removing. It is very awesome to remove, and it is very smooth. And the rubber is permanent, so don't worry for the rubber to be loosed. So guys, as you can see, all the designs or mistakes I make is removing by that rubber. So guys, as you can see, it is removed and no tear has been come with pages. So guys, I prefer you to buy this pen because this pen is very good, but not good in writing in documents which you have to write permanent. So guys, this is a review of my friction clicker pen. If you like my video guys, please like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to hit the bell notification button, which will help you to get the updates very faster. So bye guys.